All right, in this video, we're going to be checking out this grilling basket, or a set of grilling baskets from BCH Way. Just kind of wanted to show you out of the box what you get. So these two, they were kind of put together inside the box, and then you get two handles and two clips. So I'll just kind of show you. It does come with an instruction manual on how to set it up, but what you're going to do is you're going to want to watch these, and then you're able to load them up with whatever you want. So you could do vegetables in here if you wanted to do chicken and vegetables, whatever the case is, but you wanted to put it on the grill, but keep everything contained. And maybe, for example, you're using a smoker and you wanted to get the smoke. If you put vegetables in foil, they're not going to be able to get the smoke. But in something like this, you're able to keep it on there. It's able to collect the smoke. So what you're going to do is you're going to take your vegetables, you're going to season them up, a little bit of oil on them to get the seasoning to stick. And then you're going to load these baskets up. So if you're doing a larger amount, you can do this one. If you're doing a smaller amount, you can do this one. But really easy to do. All you got to do is you take your handle and you're going to screw this into the bottom of the basket. And then once that's on there, you take the top off, you load your vegetables in, and then you're going to put this cap on. This cap has little holes on either side of it, and this does too. So you want to align those holes perfectly. And then once you have those aligned, you're going to take this other little piece, the little clip that will go on the other end. And you take this and you just go into that hole there and into, that's the bigger one, sorry. I didn't realize that those were different sized. So this is the smaller one here, and you can see. So that's going to hold this lid on so this lid doesn't come off, and then you've got it secured on the other end. So you're going to put this on your grill, and then you can just kind of rotate it while it's cooking, and that way you're getting the seasoning everywhere. All the sides of the vegetables are getting cooked evenly, and then when you're done, you can just grab this off. I would recommend, if this is sitting inside the grill, obviously you're going to want to cover this up. You don't want to grab this directly, but with the wood, it shouldn't be too hot. But you could just use a pair of tongs on this end and pick it up. Another way is if you have this inside your grill, you can close the lid over it with the handle sticking out. So that way you don't have to worry about this end getting hot. And then all you got to do is take this out. And then, like I said, if you want to, you can still use your tongs over here or an oven mitt. So that way you're not burning your hand on this piece of metal, because obviously it's going to be pretty hot. So that's what that one looks like. I'll show you the other one here. I've already got this one lined up. So I'm just going to go in with this on either side. That's on, and you've got your handle. That screws in all the way there. So again, just a great way to really get some smoked vegetables, grilled vegetables, however you want to do this. Like I said, this is pretty awesome. We can work with your grill. It can work with the smoker. I mean, I guess you could even put these in your oven, but I think you're going to be better off putting them in with the handle sticking out, so that way your handles don't get messed up and you're able to keep it down in there. But another thing too is that if you wanted to not have the handles on here, you could just take the handle off. And because of the fact that this end is sealed and you got the cap on this end, you could just take this and set this directly on your grill. And then when you're done, just use a pair of tongs to pick this up and then transport it back inside or dump it out onto the pan, however you want to do that. So if you're looking for a great way to grill some vegetables on your grill or on your smoker, I would highly recommend checking these out, because these are pretty awesome.